This movement is a seated towel stretch. All we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab a towel, place it underneath our leg, and what we want here is start with our ankle at 90 degrees and the leg as flat as possible with the ground. We're gonna go ahead and bring the towel, grab the toes, and pull as long as it's comfortable. In this position, we're gonna go ahead and hold it for 30 to 60 seconds and release, rest for about 15, and then pull again. We're gonna go ahead and repeat this movement anywhere between 3 and 6 times.